Hello. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to file your divorce documents in the correct local court. When you are ready to file your divorce documents, you must determine which local family law court or branch you should file them at. Where you file your documents may depend on one or more of the following considerations, such as where you reside or where the respondent resides, and where the court provides the legal services you need. So most court websites have a zip code locator, such as the Superior Court for the County of Los Angeles, and you can use that to find which court to file your divorce documents. You can also look under the court's General Information tab or Location tab to see where the family law divisions are for that area. So now I'm going to show you how to find your local court filing for your family law matter. So if you're in a big county such as the County of Los Angeles, there are multiple courthouses throughout that county. So you're going to have to go to the Superior Court's website and search under Filing Court Locator. Here you'll be presented with two options. You can either do a drop down where you can select which city you live in and find the family law courthouse there, or you can actually enter your zip code and it'll tell you which family law courthouse you need to go to file your matter. So say for example you reside in Inglewood, you would select Inglewood, but you see here there are no family law matters heard in Inglewood. So if you live in Inglewood, you're going to want to put in your city to find out where the nearest location is in which family law matters are heard, and it looks like it's at the Torrance Courthouse. Let's just do another example here. Say for example you reside in Pasadena. There's only one courthouse in Pasadena in which family law matters are heard, and this is over here. It's going to show all the surrounding areas of Pasadena as far as the zip codes in which family law matters must be filed in. Now, if you do come to your zip code and you notice that, for example, Hollywood Hills, there's no check mark here because family law matters are not heard in Pasadena at the Pasadena Courthouse for residents who reside in that area. So what you would want to do if that was you, for example, is put in your zip code, and then you'll see here that for Hollywood Hills, they have to go to the Stanley Courthouse for filings. I'm also going to show you for the County of San Francisco. At the County of San Francisco, family law matters are heard at the Civic Center Courthouse. So a key difference, you have to kind of navigate around the court's website to find the information you need, but two key places you're going to want to look is the General Info tab. You'll just click that to find out where the courts are located. And here, as you read, you'll see that family law matters are heard in the CCC. Another area you're going to want to possibly look at are the divisions, because this will also tell you, see, where family law matters are heard. For Fresno, again, you're going to want to look at the division of family law, and then it will also tell you where the family court location is, and this is where you go for filing as far as the clerk's office. Pay close attention to the business. Sometimes the clerk's office is referred to the family law business office or clerk's office. Pay close attention to their opening and closing times. In some counties, the clerk's office close at 2:00 p.m., which is somewhat unfortunate because, you know, most working people, it's hard for them to take time off to go to the courts at that before that time. So pay close attention to that. You can also mail your documents to the court. I don't recommend it because it can take an additional 2 weeks for them to receive it, process it, and you receive anything back versus just going down there yourself, filing it, and getting documents back that same day. And another thing you can see here, for example, is that on Fridays, usually the clerk's office closes a little bit earlier, such as on this every Friday for Fresno, they close at 12:00 p.m. So this is the end of this lesson. Please send us an email, info@sdsquire.com, or send us a message in your user account if you have any questions on how to find your local family court.